Actress Angel Locsin may face charges after organizing a community pantry on her birthday. Officials of Barangay Holy Spirit in Quezon City are considering it due to violations of health protocols. Locsin claimed she had asked the assistance of local officials prior to the opening of the pantry.
Pero nagsimula naman po kami na maayos naman po talaga. Yung aking pong ramp, kung saan po kami nagbibigay, may mga markers pa po na nakalagay para ma-observe po talaga yung social distancing at makafollow po kami ng protocols. Meron din po kaming nagpatulong din po kami sa munisipyo na mabilis din naman po ang pagtugon sa aming barangay din po. May mga pumunta rin po dito ng mga pulis at mga military na tumutong din naman po. Pero yun lang po, hindi lang po talaga nila makontrol yung mga tao.
But the request for assistance, Barangay Holy Spirit Chair Felicito Valmosina said, was done 2 days before with Locsin's group asking for only 2 tanots. He thought it would only be a small community pantry.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.